Hi, welcome to my page. This is Lily. Thank you for joining me. You know, it's always a privilege and an honor to have you tune into my YouTube videos. What do you say, darling? Hey, we're having a beautiful ride here at this beautiful reserve. Darling, can you see? Can you see? Wow. Who would think that we would be coming around to ride on these, eh? Get out in the mornings and enjoy the parks, the reserves. There's my husband, look, and there we're bringing Bolo for a walk, and here we are having our own fun. Whee! Whee! Hey, it doesn't matter how old you are, you know, you just get out and enjoy. Yeah, be a kid again sometimes. Right, this is Lily. Thank you for joining me again on my YouTubes. We've been making a few YouTubes, and this one this morning is just about, what's this one, honey? Just getting out and enjoying the local parks that are nearby to you. There's nothing wrong with you hopping on the swings and hopping on this, what would you call this, kind of a seesaw? Yeah, this is a brilliant seesaw, eh, hon? Oh, wow. Okay, honey, I think you're getting a bit too fast for my liking. Yeah, so it's a beautiful morning. I mean, it's a bit overcast, but we like to just enjoy a bit of a walk around the local parks, an excuse to take our dog out as well. So if you're near Blockhouse Bay or Avondale, this reserve here is just off near Windsor Road. Just having a little bit of fun. Look at that, beautiful. No one's around. Oh, now we're off on the swing. Wow. We're off on the swing. Beautiful Tuesday morning. Oh, you're going to push me? Oh, where's my phone? Oh, yeah. I'm holding it, of course. Okay, there you go. That's what it's like, you know, when you get to our age. Where's the phone? But I'm holding it. Whee! Have a bit of a swing. Swing low, sweet chariot.
See if we can do go right around.
Oh, no, thank you. No. No, I think that's high enough now. Okay. I'm getting a bit... Look, it's going on. It's not going straight, honey. I might hit this. I might hit that pole of it. That's not funny now, okay? Okay, stop. Stop.
It's going
It's going sideways. No, honestly, it's going sideways. Just stop the swing. Okay, now, as I was saying, we're having a bit of fun. And my husband decides to swing me too high, and I'm just going on one side, and I nearly hit that pole. So here we are. You know, we can be kids sometimes. It's nice. Enjoy. There's my husband. We're in our middle 60s right now. Yeah, just having a bit of fun and enjoying the moment. Hey, darling?
awesome.
What's so awesome about this morning? What's so awesome?
Had a coffee and just taking a walk. Making sure to circulate the blood, making sure that blood is, you know, what's the word? Activated,
You hold this.
stimulated.
Yes. So it doesn't, you don't have to be, you know, like just ordinary. So this is what we're doing right now. Doing something out of the ordinary. Come in here and have a little bit of a play in the park. Have a bit of swing and seesaw in there.
And Polo behind.
Polo, run around and enjoy the little park that we're at. So yes, this is our other mornings or other days that what we get up to.
You just got to take the time to get out there and put the body into some sort of physical activity, or what's the word? Resistant. That's how the body is designed. It's designed to work. And if we don't work our body will seize up. And that can happen in our age. I'm 65, the wife is 64. Just keeping active. And
having a bit of fun, enjoying the moment this morning. this morning is Tuesday, the 22nd, is it? 22nd of October.
2024.
2024. So we thought, oh, let's just
Take Bolo for a walk.
Take Bolo for a walk and have a bit of moment together just to enjoy. And we're just encouraging you to get out and about. If you're at home, stuck at home and thinking it's too cold or you can't get out, just take a walk, just a few steps out, and you'll be amazed at your parks that are right there in your neighbourhood.
And some of the exercise is pretty simple. We call this tuki tuki. It's called massage yourself, especially around your central part of the body, because your central part of the body reacts to, say, the bottom and the top half. And massaging tuki tuki like this, and making sure you do what that's called deep breathing exercise, because fresh breath, or fresh oxygen anyway, goes into our body, and it does wonderful things because we don't see it. We don't see what God has in the oxygen on the or in this free air that we breathe in. And of course this other one, it's used to these exercise.
Very simple. Keep it simple.
And do your neck exercise too, which is this, and at the same time make sure you breathe. And of course the simple one, touch your toes. You got to have that flexibility. And this one here is for your lower back. You make sure that your back is still flexible. You don't want your back to be tensioned up because you don't exercise the muscle. The muscle do in time, they tighten up if you don't use it. So these simple exercises just help. Whether it gives you longevity in life, I don't know. But it helps, keeps our body flexible. And there's other words that I can't think of at this point of time. And the body needs that. The body needs to be moved all the time.
With your joints as well, the muscles, every part of your body.
Oh, that's right, and your feet. See, because your feet carries you all the time, you've got to do something special with your feet. And if you come closer, this is what you do with your feet. Massage your feet from time to time, especially when you're in bed. By massaging your feet, don't forget, it has to carry all this on top of you. And you've got to make sure it's flexible. It's easy, but if your feet are sore, make sure you do massage them. At our age, people starts to get what it's called arthritis or something like that.
Yes, it is. It's arthritis.
And a lot of other illnesses because the body is not continuously moving. Diabetes is the other one. But if you use up all the foods that you eat, it helps. Now, if your knees are aching up, don't go to the nearest pharmacy or doctor to ask for medication. These are the best medication God has given us. It's called our hands and our finger. Use those hands to massage your knees, which also soften up the crystallizations that builds up in your joints. Simple exercises like that. So your feet and your knee, because remember, it's got to carry you. So you've got to look after them. And these are simple exercises you can do, or remedies, or medicine. Massage them. Pretty simple. You can do it yourself. Medication don't necessarily help you. All it does is maybe take the pain away. But the pain will always be there. But if you use your hands, what God has given us, you'll be surprised. It's called heal yourself. Why would you want somebody to heal you when you've got your own hand to heal yourself? By massaging any part of your body that is aching. And those are some of the secrets that I can share with you. Keep your body flexible, twist, what's the word? Rotate. It just keeps your body.
Just simple things you're doing, sweetheart, is it? Every day? Every morning?
Well,
just simple little things.
Morning, but it's a thing that you have to do. Just do it. If you're lying in bed or you're watching TV, pull your feet up towards you and just do this to it. While you're watching TV.
Wonderful.
And of course, while you're watching TV also, do your knees. A lot of people have a lot of problem with knees and hips. And this is the fixture for hip problem. Tuki tuki. Or tuki tuki. Thus, you're shaking your internal organs, your
Veins and blood
veins. And
to flow.
listen to this. You hear of what they call blood clots. Why does the blood, clouds up, clots up? Well, simple, because it's not moving in a smooth flow. By you helping it to flow freely, this is one of the best exercise. Under your armpits, in your joint. Now think of this. What do you see when you see this? It's called pumping action. When you want to pump something, and look at this, you're pumping blood to your heart. You're pumping it just by doing this. You'd be surprised. It's simple things like that. You're pumping your heart instead of your heart working overtime. You're helping your heart at the same time by just doing that. Just pumping blood around your veins into your heart and allowing your heart to relax. And you are helping your heart to pump blood around your whole system. Simple things.
Yes, it's very simple things, darling. Thank you for sharing that. And I would just like to add on to that. Grateful and thankful we are, because I wake up and I would say thank you for my brain, thank you for my eyes, thank you for my ears, my nose, my mind, my mouth, my throat, and all the way down to my heart, my lungs, that all these organs, our livers and our kidneys, our stomach. I say thank you. Thank you that you are, I just say thank you that it keeps me going. And so we're grateful to have these body parts.
Well, God has created a perfect, say, human being, for example, because He created in His image. So everything internally, everything that keeps our body in function, we also got to learn how to maintain it and look after it. And we're just giving you some simple idea how to do so. Our neck is one of those things that sometimes you get sore neck because we slept probably the wrong side. This is all you need to do. That's the wife has done.
Tuki tuki, tuki tuki.
And lastly, I think one of the key secret to life is whenever something in your body it's painful, don't ignore it. Don't run to the doctor. Look for it by feeling. When you touch that area that's really painful, that's where the problem is. Concentrate your pressure point or your massaging on that area, and I guarantee you, if you keep doing it, say for example your elbow is sore, and all you got to do is keep massaging it every day without missing, or every moment that you can think, oh shit, better do my elbow. So all you're doing is.
Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, our video closed down on us. Something happened. So we're just going to go and end off with saying thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube videos. We would like you to subscribe to our page, my husband's page. But anyway, this is my YouTube video. I'm so thankful and grateful to you. We'll see you again on my next video.